welcome to the 2018 Urban Sketchers Symposium here in beautiful Porto, Portugal. Can you tell me your name and where you're from?
Well, my name is Omar Jamarillo, and I was born in Ecuador, but I live in Berlin.
Okay, excellent. And can you tell me a little bit about what you typically like to teach in a workshop?
Well, my workshops are all about negative space and how we apply in the dream or typical subjects of urban sketching, objects, architecture, and people.
Perfect. And can you show me some examples of your work?
Okay, that is something here. Some of the streets in Porto, and some friends I met.
Beautiful. So you're going in with the watercolor first and adding pen afterwards?
Well, that depends. Sometimes I start with watercolor first, and sometimes I just work with watercolor, or sometimes I combine both.
Okay, excellent. Beautiful. Beautiful work. Wonderful. Very nice. These are beautiful. So I can see in this one in particular how you emphasize that negative space in the background.
Yeah, and my people are also very minimalistic.
Yes.
I always say in my workshops, I teach how to avoid problem zones.
Okay. Can you give me an example of a problem zone?
The bridge of the nose, for example.
Okay.
I never draw the bridge of the nose, but our brain fill that gap with information we have about the person, if you know the person. If you make a wrong line, everybody will see, no, that's not the person. But the moment you leave the gap,
you leave the gap, then the brain fills in
exactly
the details.
Exactly.
Excellent, beautiful. That's a great idea. Can you see another example?
Here's a combination of line and watercolor. Watercolor was first. You can see maybe here. So.
Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, Omar.
I think I got one more. Where that was here. I guess it was here, for example. Just leaving things open that don't necessarily draw everything, but less. I'm a lazy sketcher.
Okay.
I'm very minimalistic about what I draw.
Right.
I don't want to spend too much time on my drawings.
Okay. That's excellent. Thank you so much, Omar, for chatting with me today.
Thank you.